Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of VR in 2025, you're probably excited to watch your videos on the Oculus app. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned user, this full guide will walk you through the process step by step, so you can enjoy immersive viewing in no time. Let's jump right in. First off, make sure you have the latest version of the Oculus app installed on your compatible device. Head to your App Store, whether it's for your phone, tablet, or PC, and search for Oculus App. Download and install it if you haven't already. Once that's done, open the app and sign in with your Meta account. If you're new, creating an account is straightforward. Just follow the prompts to set it up. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Library or Media tab, which is where all your content is stored. If you want to add your own videos, tap the Upload button. You can select files from your device's storage or connect to cloud services like Google Drive or OneDrive for seamless integration. The app supports a variety of formats, so your videos should import without a hitch. Once your videos are uploaded, or if you already have some in your library, browse through the list and select the one you want to watch. Hit Play in VR, and if you're using an Oculus headset, put it on for the full experience. The app will guide you through any necessary calibrations to ensure crystal clear visuals and smooth playback. A quick tip: for the best results, check your internet connection if you're streaming, and adjust the app's settings for resolution and comfort. If you run into issues like app crashes, try restarting your device or updating your software. The Oculus support page has great troubleshooting resources. And there you have it. You're now all set to enjoy your videos in stunning virtual reality. If this guide helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.